Hello, welcome to my office. Today I want to show you 4 different ways to show formula in Excel. I have formula in the Excel. I want to check if they are right, so I want to show them rather than just show the result. First option is we go to formula, go to show formula. You see it's all here. This is the first option. If we choose here, it tells me this formula includes these 3 cells. If I choose this cell, it tells me this cell's formula including these several cells. These are similar. This is the first option. The second option, we enter formula audit with the audit mode. In the search, it will change it to the formula. If we search again, it will go back. The third option is you choose Control and grill accent on your keyboard. It's this button. Control and grill accent, this button. It's Control and this button. You choose these 2 buttons together, it will change to formula mode. But for some computer, you probably have to choose Windows together. So you may need to choose the Control, Windows, and grill button, all 3 together. You can convert to formula mode. Let's give it a shot. The fourth option is let's go to File, choose Option, choose Advanced. Then we scroll down. Go to Display Options for this worksheet. Here, the second one, we check show formulas in cells instead of their calculated result. We check, and OK. It is in the formula mode. OK, that's all. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe me and give me a thumb up. That's all. Please don't forget to subscribe me. Get more goodies in the future. Thank you for your watching.